down from last week, but more homes closed over the past week, 31% higher than in the prior week. It's Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Here's what's happened since my last week's report. 2,080 homes are newly active, and this is a 2% reduction in new inventory. 1,421 are coming soon. 848 homes went under contract. 1,551 are temporarily off the market. 1,765 moved to pending. 2,071 homes settled last week. The highest priced home to sell was in Rockville for $3,850,000. There are a total of 996 homes for rent throughout Maryland, and this is down more than half of the normal rental inventory. 311 rental units came on the market since last week's report, and 410 were rented over the past week. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free Summer Edition Home Buyer or Home Seller Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of what's happening in Maryland. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You may also catch our market updates on your favorite podcast service or through your Google or Alexa devices. That's it for Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.